Hello guys, I'm Kailey. I'm from New York. No wait, Texas. Whatever. Today I'm going to show you how to make slime. There's many types of slime, like butter, jiggly, clear, and more I can remember. Personally, my favorite slime YouTuber is Karina Garcia. She's funny and likes slime. And my two favorite things to watch. So, to make slime, the things you need are glue, detergent, hand soap or lotion, a bowl, something to stir with, and optional, a color paint or food coloring. Let's get started. Fix the camera. So first, you pour glue to your bowl. Look at it go. So that's done. Now let's add the lotion or hand soap. So that's the soap. Ugh, dropped it. Hey, what are you doing here?
How do you make a slime?
Who told you that? Just call your brother.
Speaking of Roblox video. Wait. You use them too?
Huh?
Hi world. Don't forget to subscribe.
Stop it. Just go away.
Did you just say that? No one kicks me out. Nobody ever kicks me out. And you see why. You see why.
Okay. Sorry guys, that was my neighbor. I'm gonna get more soap.
Don't tell her that I took her Spider-Man costume, okay?
Can't find another soap, so I guess no soap and no lotion. But let's still continue. Now let's add the detergent. Who else is gonna ruin my video? I be there. Oh my God. Spider-Man? Is that really you? Of course.
I mean, of course.
Why are you here?
I heard you were making a slime video, so I came to help.
How do you know I was making a slime video?
My spider instincts, so can I help?
Oh, sure. Come in. So I guess we have a guest star. Spider-Man! Hello guys, I'm Spider-Man.
I'm Spider-Man.
What a surprise. Well, thanks for joining my slime video. With you here, I know my slime video will be so much better. So let's continue?
Of course.
Now let's add the detergent or activate. Oh wait, do you want a separate bowl for you, Spider-Man?
Oh no, let's just use yours.
Okay then. Now Spider-Man will stir.
Wait, what? Of course.
Spider-Man, it looks like you don't know how to stir.
I know how to stir. Stir, you dumb thing. Ugh.
Stop, you're gonna break the slime.
How could I break the slime?
No, I just meant, just give me that.
How about you just watch? Well, I guess.
Now let's add the pink. Would be pink, my favorite color. Hey!
Sorry, I mean, I don't like the color.
So you want me to get red?
Yes.
Ugh, don't invite guest stars, guys.
So, if you guys don't know, I'm the baby you saw earlier. The cute girl you saw? Yeah, that's me. I'm here to sabotage the slime. So, let's do it. Okay, guys. I got a zombie chip. Zombie talkie, whatever to call it. I know, the bomb. So, here's a picture of them. You want to see it? Oh, yeah, here's a picture. Yeah, here, I'll give you a picture right there. Yeah, those are zombie chips. Bro, go away! I don't want it! So, that's my bro right there. His name is Chalissa. He makes robot videos and he likes sushi. Okay, that's all I can say about him. Whatever. So, guys, let's put the chip inside the slime and let's stir. So, if you guys don't know, I don't know how to stir. I'm a baby. I came out of my mom's booty like 3 months ago, so don't judge me. I saw slime videos yesterday, so I wanted to make slime with Kailey, but I guess not. Instead, I'm doing this. But I like doing this better. I like.
And done. How long does it take to get paint? I'm back. Well, there was no more paint of any other color, so... Do you want to leave it as it is, or do pink?
Leave it as it is, of course. Who likes pink? I don't. Like you said, I'm Spider-Man. I want it like red or blue.
Okay. Sorry, guys. We're not going to put paint or food coloring to our mix, but you guys can add it if you want. Now let's see the results. Actually, let's stir a little bit more. Now it's done. Now it's done, actually. That was easy, wasn't it? Now let's see the results. I'm excited, guys. Me too. Huh?
Me too.
Let's scrape this. Ah! What is that? Ew! What is that?
Isn't it slime?
No, it's supposed to be white. All the things I added was white. How is it green?
Didn't you hear the news?
What news?
The slime news. If your slime turns green, I don't know, green paint or dye, it means you made a zombie slime.
A what?
It's contagious.
What are you talking about?
It's going around the world. Slimes are turning to zombie slime.
What are you saying?
There's slime, it's a zombie.
So it's going to eat me?
Yes.
What do I do?
Run.
She ran outside.
So I'm going to add Google Eyes to her slime. So it looks alive. Dead. Don't tell her. Wait. Cameras can talk. Or can they?
Kailey!
Kailey, I think it's fine. It's not moving.
You better not be lying or tricking me. Ah! It blinked! Let's take this.
Kailey, where are you?
I'm under the quinceañera dress. Come on, Spider-Man, before the slime gets you.
Oh yeah, I killed it. Come on.
You did?
Come on, check for yourself.
Okay. Yes, it's gone. So guys, I guess that's all for the video. Wait, what was that? Ow! I told you, nobody kicks me out. Eh. Get off, get off, get it off.
Well, that's all for the video for today, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Wow, that was the best sabotage prank I ever did so far. Well, bye, guys.
Oh, Spider-Man, save me.
He won't.